I'm gonna show you how you can make videos like this one. So first of all, you need to go to VEED.io and log in. If you don't have an account, you need to sign up first. Once you sign up and log in, you see something like this, and on top you can see create. Go here and choose new project. So it shows something like this. You have two options. You can also close this and then upload your files later, or you can upload your audio file right now. I'm gonna upload the audio file right now. Click upload files. Choose the audio file from your computer, and it's gonna take a little bit of time, and then now it's ready. So this is the video canvas or screen, whatever you call it, and then this is the audio file you need. So I'll go to volume here. I'm gonna make it very low volume because when I record this tutorial, it's gonna sound too loud. So okay, it's gonna be something like this. And then I'm gonna go to elements. Under elements, if you scroll down, you will see visualizers, and under visualizers you have sound waves. Click here and you can see, you can already see different options of sound waves you can use. So personally, I prefer this one here. Click here, and then it's already here. Right now you don't see anything because you haven't played the audio. If you play the audio for a while, just for a second, okay, you already see the audio, even the sound waves, right? And this is not just a random audio, sound wave animation. It goes with the music. If you play it for a few seconds, and maybe around here, as you can see, it goes with the music. And you can click here, and then you can change the color here. Click here and then choose something like yellow. I like this one, and then click here again, and you have this sound wave ready. I'm gonna make it big to make it look clear. Okay, you will see why I'm doing this later. Okay, so yeah, click here to play. Okay, this is good. And now what you can do is you can just go to done and then click on export video. It's going to take a few seconds to render. So the video is ready, but this is not the final output we're looking for. For now, we're going to download and then choose MP4. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to open the file. So we have this file, the video file with the sound waves. What we're going to do is we're going to right click and choose edit with Clipchamp. You can use any video editor, but since Clipchamp is default video editor for Windows, so it's already there. It's already there in the Windows. You don't have to pay for it. So I'm gonna choose Edit with Clipchamp. It's going to take a few seconds. So this is the user interface of Clipchamp. So you can see this is the video we have. So as you can see here, the logo for VEED logo is here on top. Again, if you go here, it's at the bottom. If you play the video, it has the logo here. And again, it has the logo here. So we don't want the logo to appear on our video. So you can go to crop here and then crop it like this. As you can see on this left side, this is the highest or the tallest the sound wave, the tallest sound wave we have. So we can go up to here. If you go down here, you're gonna cut the sound waves. So crop until here and then click on done. So now if you play, so now you see you don't have VEED logo. Okay, so this is the video size we have. If you want different size, you can go to size and then choose any of them. By default, it's 16 by 9, which is good for a YouTube video, so I'm not going to change it. So now we can click and then drag to, resize the sound waves. And the only thing now you have to do is you need to add your image or video if you need. For now, I'm going to choose an image. So you have two options. Either you can go to My Media and upload your picture or video, or you can go to Content Library and you can choose any from here. Clipchamp already has its own, video clips, audio clips, and images. I'm gonna go down and look for some images. Okay, image, and then maybe nature, maybe something like this. Click on plus, and then you have added it on your timeline. So here we can drag it on the left side and drag it on the right side to match the timeline with the audio, and then click and drag like this so that it covers the whole screen. Since we didn't have any picture before, after inserting the picture, it has changed the screen aspect ratio. So I'm going to go to size and then choose wide 16 by 9. Now we can again click and drag like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this image layer and then drag it down. Okay, so now we have the sound waves on top of the image, but it has this black background, so we need to get rid of this. Click on this sound waves layer and then go to effects. We're going to search for black and white removal. Okay, so this is the effect. Click here and then it's already doing its job, but let's go to this color threshold and drag it all the way to the right. Okay, now this is perfect. You can now resize it, make it a little bigger or maybe smaller according to your preferences, because maybe you want to add some text, a title of this video or the title of the song here, and then you just need a very small sized sound waves. You can do that. But one thing we need to do is we need to click on the image and go to adjust colors and transparency. It's going to make it a little darker so that we can see the sound waves. Okay, this looks good. Click here, maybe a little more. Okay, this looks good. So you can put like maybe like go to text and then you can click here, add plus button. Now you can you can put the title of the music somewhere around here, and then and then you can just adjust the size of this sound waves. Maybe a little. Maybe you can do like small here, and if you play, you can just drag it all the way to the right, all the way to the left, and then click. And this looks like this. Okay, so this is how we how we can make a video with sound waves. Of course, you need to export the video. If you go to export, you have this option to store in the cloud. You don't need to do that. If you need to store in the cloud, you can do that. Otherwise, click here, and then you have this place to write the name of the video, rename the video file name, and then export. And then you can choose either 180p or 720p. I usually do 180p, but 720p is also not bad. For 4K, you'll need to pay. So for this kind of video, I don't think you need 4K. You also have more options. You can also export audio only, but for this video, that doesn't make sense. You have also 480p. But after that, just export the video, and yeah, that's the end of the process. Thanks for watching.